Hey, APUSH, I wanted to jump on real quick and just do a very quick screencast recording of where you can find these review sheets for Adam Norris. So for periods 1 through 5, you have these review sheets here that you can download, and these go along. We actually did period 1 in class, so this should look very familiar to you. Let's load this up. So with each of these period review sheets, periods 1 through 5, you'll notice that this is the same one that we actually already did, so I don't think that I put that one on your bingo board. But if you scroll down, like, it has hyperlinks already in the document where you can watch different videos, and then it has like the notes section where you can take those notes. So these are available periods 1 through 5 on that Adam Norris website. Now, what we notice here is periods 6 through 9. If you click, you actually have to pay $29 for these period review sheets. Instead of doing that, if you will just go over here to the new APUSH curriculum, you could do one of two things, okay? First of all, you have the APUS curriculum period review in 10 minutes, all right? So I'm going to show you what this looks like. You click here. It comes up with a period review. This is a 10-minute video for each of the different periods. So we're pretty much like condensing all of that information. It's very fast-paced, very quick. And you'll notice here that you can actually download fill-in-the-blank guides for those videos. So let me show you what this one looks like. All right, so here, period 1 in 10 minutes, you have these big idea questions. You have the guided notes where you can fill in as he goes. You even have this sort of column for areas of concern, so you can go back and say, okay, I don't know much about this. I need to restudy or go back into more depth. And then it also gives you some information as far as like a short answer question. And so these are really good in place of those other period review sheets that you have to pay for. All right, but I also want to mention this to you because some of those older periods, or more modern periods, periods 6 through 9, is the stuff that we did at the beginning of the year. And so that might be something that you want to go back and do more in depth. All right, so on those bingo card squares, if you go to the new APUSH curriculum, the same place that you have those review in 10 minutes, you can scroll down and click on these periods. Now, this gives you a more in-depth review of each of those periods. So if you'll notice, like key concept 6.1, all right? And here you have not only the PowerPoint, but you also have the fill-in-the-blank guide. Show you what this looks like. Very similar to the 10-minute videos, all right? But it's going to go into more depth. I highly encourage you to go through and just clear your calendar and go through these videos, periods 6 through 9. This is the stuff that we talked about at the beginning of the year, and it would be very helpful for you to go through. If you don't have time, at least do the 10 minutes. But you'll definitely get some brownie points from Miss Butler if you opt to do these separate key concept in-depth reviews. And it's very similar, the same thing. I know I'm scrolling through this really quickly, but he gives you test tips for each of those time periods and sample essay questions. All right, so review real quick. These review sheets, these bingo boards, that's where you can get periods 1 through 5. I think this is okay. This is the stuff that we've done that's very recent. So I think these review sheets are enough for you here. The new APUSH curriculum, 10-minute reviews. Again, you're still going to get a little bang for your buck, but the most bang for your buck, especially for 6 through 9, are going to be down here. For these AP curriculum periods that we did earlier in the year. All right. I will post this link to APUSHreview.com in Schoology. Of course, this video is in Schoology too. So just look for that link in order to access all of these review materials. Keep in mind, you have your bingo board. I am checking off one row of your bingo board. If it's diagonal, vertical, horizontal. 1 row is due to me by next Friday. Use this weekend to knock out as much of it as you can. It'll help you prepare for your mock exam on Monday and Tuesday, people. All right? But if you opt and you want that 10 extra points on your lowest mock exam score from this semester, then you need to black out the entire board. I'll take those up Thursday. I think it's May 4th. That's the day before the AP exam. So this is to help you. I hope you take advantage of it. Remember, 1 row is due for a grade, but if you opt for that 10 extra points, which can help everybody, it's a win-win for everyone, then go ahead and black out that board, baby. All right. Love y'all. Have a great weekend. I hope you use it wisely and prepare, especially because next weekend is prom. Y'all, it's coming to an end. All right? See you Monday.